Oh, but I will tell you, the apron is gone. Tara Tesher, welcome back.
Good to be here.
Nice to have you with us,
Are you
always.
kidding? Hello.
Now, Tara and I kicked off this big deal. What does big stand for?
Wow. Before it's gone?
Before it's gone.
He just learned that the other day.
Yeah, I learned that a few weeks ago.
Love when you say that.
Hand up, testify, truth. All right, and we kicked this off on Sunday. Since that time, 19,300 of them have been ordered. Now,
yes,
oh,
that's all that's left.
This is all that's left.
That's all that's left.
I wanted to grab these two so that we could show everybody exactly what they're getting.
You want to put them right here?
Can we?
Yes, of course.
All right, so
Perfect.
this is what you're getting, and I'd love for you to narrate.
Yeah, absolutely. So two 20-ounce oversized mugs, and this is what's so special about it. We put the plate with it, or what we like to call, we're calling it a coaster, but it's really a plate. So now if you're doing your soup and sandwich, fantastic. If you want to use it to protect your table,
cookies.
Even better. Love that. Tea and crumpets. It comes with a lid. It comes with the stainless steel spoon. What is a crumpet, by the way?
Is it a cracker?
No, I don't think so. I think it's like a biscuit of some
It's like
sort.
a biscuit.
Clearly we need to do our homework. But you're getting 4 pieces times 2. So if you love this as one, you're actually getting both. So that's what we love. We took all of those great things you love, our oversized mugs, our soup and our sandwich, our great spoons, and we put them all together in what we call a very big deal.
You know, Steve Doss saw this earlier and he goes, that's not a coffee cup, it's a soup mug.
That's not a soup mug, it's a latte mug.
It's a meal mug.
That's not a latte mug, it's a meal mug.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Totally.
It's comfort food at its best.
All right, so let's take you through what we have remaining. Bearing in mind, we kicked this off on Sunday and over 19,300 have been ordered, okay? So this is Old World Confetti. Then we have Old World Blue. I think that's all we have left.
That's all that's left.
That's all that's left in Old World.
That's all that's left.
How you doing? Goodbye.
Yep.
And then this Inky Cobalt Blue in the floral lace. Then I have red. Then black. A color we rarely see anymore, the cranberry. 500 remain in that cranberry, and then the gray. 200 remain in the gray. This is always, and what's our update in Old World? Blue? Gone.
It is.
Blue is gone.
Oh my gosh. I think that's just from our chat.
Can I ask you to take this and give this to
from our
one of our crew members? Thank you. All right, and what was that? What was that about confetti?
What?
What? Only 700 remain in the confetti, and that's it.
Wow.
This is, you know what we call this? This is cleanup.
Yes.
This is the end. So, as I mentioned, since Sunday, we've had, what, almost, we're approaching 20,000.
Wow.
Have you seen a particular Christmas movie on QVC Plus called Holly and the Hot Chocolate?
About 582 times.
Isn't it fantastic?
It's fantastic. It's a feel-good movie, and I had to watch it a bunch of times.
And we're keeping it on Plus for free.
Love.
All the way through the holiday and the winter season, so you can still go to QVC Plus and check out Holly and the Hot Chocolate. What made me think about it was we got hot chocolate in these mugs.
See what I did there?
Very fancy.
I mean,
set me up.
I'm telling you.
Tara sets it up, I knock it down. All right, so really
talk
fancy.
about setting up.
Oh, I'm knocking
Do you remember?
it down. Hello, old friend.
Hello, mac and cheese. So here's what we love about it,
so
right? So it's our great stoneware. So comfort food, like Steve was saying, he'd put his stew in there. How about making mac and cheese? How about just dumping a can of soup inside here? Because they're microwave safe, you can put them right in the microwave. Now you bring that to work, you bring a can of soup, and you're ready to roll. You have that great mug by your desk.
It's 20 ounces.
It's 20 ounces.
That's more soup than you probably have in the can.
Exactly,
right?
But of course, well, we like to talk about a day in the life of a Temp-tations mug, right? In the morning, you can start with oatmeal, you can start with cold cereal. Look at these bacon kebabs. Like, are you kidding me? Carol, and look what we did on the little plates. We just did some little
You need to know Carol
waffles.
is our food stylist.
She's amazing.
And she does an amazing job.
True story. And if that was her mac and cheese, David might just eat it. I'm just going to say.
I mean, I might break some rules and eat it.
How about some French onion soup?
How about
Your
it?
favorite, my favorite.
favorite.
Love 20 ounces. You can tuck it under the broiler when you're finished.
Is this chicken parm?
Yeah, chicken parm on top of pasta. So when you're thinking about portion control.
Leftover pasta and Heartland chicken parm.
Exactly. And by the way, when you're microwaving leftover pasta, a big dollop of butter does it really good. Allegedly. I mean, rumor has it.
I don't know anything about no butter. I don't know anything about no butter.
Everything's better with butter.
Okay. That music is early. All right. Thanks. We have confetti. 500 remain there. And then in floral lace, here's the blue. Here's the red. Here's black. 900 remain in the black. Here is cranberry. 500 remain. And then the gray. 200, all I have left.
Wow.
These are going very quickly. Each mug is 20 generous ounces. Plus you get the 2 coasters, what Tara calls a coaster, it could be a plate. And then you get the lid and the metal spoon with the stoneware tab on the top.
Isn't that
so
great?
It's easy
yeah.
to grab.
Easy to grab. They're all dishwasher safe, so that's another thing. Like when you're thinking about, look at this, like you could do little desserts, and not so little, by the way, on those great plates. So if you're picking up more than
Is
two.
that raspberry shortcake?
Yes, it is. Hello.
Not strawberry.
With currants.
Raspberry shortcake with currants.
Raspberry beret. Anyway, we're singing a lot of songs tonight. Just going to say that.
We whipped it a minute ago.
Oh, we did. We whipped it good. But you can use these if you're picking up more than one set, which we heard a lot on our Now You're Cooking Day, all day Sunday. Many of you were picking up more than one set because you wanted to have service for 4, service for 6. A mug is always that permission to relax and enjoy. You're really stacking those marshmallows up there.
Actually,
it's
I was
a
going to use
personal
them
moment.
as eyeballs.
It's a no. You know how in the cartoons they go wah 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 wah.
Wah, wah,
Yeah.
wah,
Yeah,
wah,
yeah,
wah,
yes.
wah, wah.
Yes.
Yeah, there it is.
Yes.
There it is. Heart eyeballs.
Do you want to walk with me?
Are we walking?
We're walking.
We're walking.
Let's walk.
All right. After
Because
you.
a mug is always that way to have that personal moment, that quiet time for me. And mugs are like blankets, right? Everybody.
How about we give Dish
Oh.
McDawes a mug?
Oh.
Thank
Hot
you.
cocoa.
Do you
All
like
these-
that?
I see a picture
Yeah,
of
I
me.
love this. You see that? There you are.
funny.
Right on here.
I just wanted to show off
this.
all of this big game stuff
Well.
we have going on over here. And I was going to talk about how a mug is your moment of, quiet and niceness and
Oh, we're coming over here.
memory making and
Look at
see,
this.
you gave your mug away.
Go
but
fight, win.
I'll forgive you just this once.
Now, the 2 big games are coming up this Sunday.
Yes.
And the winner of both games go to the Super Bowl. So it's
the World Series, right?
No.
Kidding.
The Birds.
Too soon? Yes,
And
Eagles.
the Chiefs.
Yes.
Right? The Birds and the Chiefs?
You're looking at Lisa,
Oh, I'm sorry. The Birds and the 49ers are playing.
and she's going,
And then the
yeah.
Bengals and the Chiefs are playing. I
Here
knew the Chiefs were in there.
This
I
is
just
what
didn't
Lisa
know
did. She
exactly
went
where.
around the world. Like it was a yes, it was a no, it was good. It was well
Sorta.
done, Lisa.
You're in the right neighborhood, wrong street. All right. I know the games are at 3 and 8. Who plays first? Eagles play at 3 o'clock. All right.
You know how lucky he is to have that earpiece.
You know, I got somebody who understands football and they tell me it all. Yeah. Did you need a spirited beverage?
Always.
Side the head?
Always.
All right, not you.
Oh,
Brian, my
okay. I'm
producer.
sorry. Oh, sorry.
You may have you want some spirited